Hiro sat outside the Fat Controller's office in Effort Station. The Fat Controller was on the phone. What was he talking about? Let's find out. I see overhears the conversation. Yes. No, Mr. Wellington. No. No. I am not selling sausages. Oh. You don't know Mr. Oh, goodbye. Oh, butter! Shouted Sir Anthony Topham Hatt. Oh, here we go again. The phone rings. Yes? Oh, Mr. Davies, finally you got back to me on the engine. Ah, thank God. So, when can we have him? Really? January. Oh, okay. So he's still in the hall? Yes? Yes. Mr. Mayonnaise. Those two really will beg to differ. No, I'm not buying an engine without silver, like. Not the Fat Controller. Oh, wait, you have a connection to a miniature railway? Huh. Well, that's that I could use a new engine. Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. He hung up. Yay! Random Dax was now lead will now be completed. Yes! I won't have to buy any more engines. Do this one. Yay! Meanwhile, back to Hiro. Well then, Mr. Wellington, why did you think I could swallow her sausages? Like, come on, sell his sausages. The Fat Controller does not sell sausages. I don't mind. Driver loves sausages. Yeah. Oh, and I am happy my friends Hiro and Morgan are back home from the Bluebell Alley. Also, again, I'd like to apologize for them doing no videos on their vacation. I'd like to apologize. They had something planned for the 10th, but it never materialized. They just got busy. And plus, last weekend, I know, was a giant skiing gala that Emily was a part of. And I got to say, having a giant skiing gala is actually quite fun, Bluebell Railway. Now it makes a difference. Are we doing our own little gala this year? Well, we are doing stuff to celebrate the Railway series. But beyond that, we're not really doing anything for the TV show. And plus, we don't like the way Mattel's taking care of us. Especially Megan Thomas. Excuse me. A little kid. Like, come on! He's not a little kid, Mattel. He's actually an old man. Like me. Oh, and those wondering if my story, my backstory in Heal of Those is canon. Not to this show is not. It is canon to something, but not this show. I'd like to thank you for watching and goodbye.